If you have been alive for one day chance, you have seen these videos. You've likely seen these viral cloth simulation videos. Today, we're making one. Delete the default cube. Press Shift A to add a UV sphere. Press F3 and search for Shade Smooth. Add a plane with Shift A. Move it up on the Z axis, press G then Z and scale it to be about 2.5x larger than the sphere. Add a subdivision surface modifier to the plane set to simple so it bends correctly. For now, let it be 2. Go to the Physics tab and add Cloth Physics to the plane. Select the sphere, go to the Physics tab and add a collision modifier so the cloth interacts with it. Let's play. Now go to modifier of plane, increase the subdivision and play. If you aren't lucky, the cloth goes through itself. If the cloth goes through itself, we have a solution. Go to the Physics tab and enable self collisions. Now physics is good. Let's smooth the cloth. Right click the mouse, then shade smooth for the cloth and add another subdivision surface modifier after the cloth simulation to make it look cleaner. Now for the camera and scene setup, position your view and press Ctrl Alt 0 to snap the camera to your view. Then you can press the Shift plus to adjust the angle, set the resolution to vertical in the Output tab. Then select the camera and adjust focal length in the camera tab switch to rendered view and set the render engine to Cycles or HDRI based on your preference. Now for the lighting and background, delete the default light. Add an area light, Shift A. Move it up. Then increase its power and size for soft shadows. Duplicate the light, Shift D. Move it to right side of Create Object for better definition. Then repeat the same for other side to create 3-point lighting. Add a background plane, rotate it to align with the camera, and scale it to fill the frame. Now for the materials and environment, use the shade editor to add a checker texture to your background. Press New the Shift A, then checker, texture, then adjust the parameters based on your interest for the cloth. Select the cloth, the new material, then increase the metallic and decrease the roughness to get realistic reflections on metal. Add an HDRI, you can get it from a site like Polyhaven. Select the cloth and add the color of your choose. I select red as it pops with my background. After the press Ctrl S and save the file. Simulation is complete. You're ready to render and share. Hope you liked the video. Please hit like, hit share and comment your thoughts, and subscribe for upcoming videos.